So now we're on test 3. We're looking at number 8. And we have variables in the answer choices. So once again, this approach works. What do? Well, we can pick numbers for C and D. Any numbers we want. I don't know. Let's make it, this math looks easy enough. Let's just make it like 7 and 2. So this is C and this is D. Okay, so the line has a slope, K, and it also, the interesting part about this is that we know the y-intercept. We know another point, 0, 4, right? If you have this slope, K is the slope, 4 is the y-intercept. It's the value when x is 0, the value of y, right? So what is the slope of the line? Well, most of us probably know how to do slope. If we don't, it's rise over run. Also sometimes written as, the change in y, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So in this case, that would be, I'll use my fancy point here. I guess that I could go either way, but I don't want to deal with negatives. Let's go to this point first. 4 is the y value minus 2 over 0. Oh, I totally messed up. I'm going to get negatives now. Right, that's 2 over negative 7, right? The 4 and the 0 first, or the 2 and then the 2 and then the 7. Yeah, okay, cool. So negative 2/7 is what we're looking for. Let's try A. A would be 2 minus 4, so that's a negative number, over 7. So that seems to work. That's negative 2 over 7, which is the same thing. Negative 2 over 7 is equal to 2 over negative 7. Let's try B. B would say, just to be clear, 7 minus 4. That's going to be a 3 on top. I already know this is wrong. C, which says 4 minus D, which is 4 minus 2, over C. That's 2/7. We wanted negative 2/7. And then this one, which says 4 minus C, so that's negative 3 over D, which is 2. So definitely not. So A is the right answer, right? The easiest thing to mix up here is X and Y, confusing the X's and Y's. So that's something that I flag every time I'm dealing with ordered pairs. So just to be clear here, this is one ordered pair where I have Y on top and X on the bottom. That's true. And here's another ordered pair, 2 and 7 with minus signs in between, because these are the minus signs in between. The Y value is 2, the X value is 7. That's what I said. I labeled them correctly. So that's the right answer. Answer choice A.